is bringing new age confirmation tools for app developers. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Google shared some details on how it'll ask Android developers to handle age verification requirements. The platform it's adopting is called the Google Play Age Signals API. The tool is currently being tested in Brazil, and it'll arrive in Australia and Canada sometime during August before it rolls out globally later in the year. The Age Signals tool allows parents to share their own or their child's age with developers as a range. This acts as a more private option than requiring age be shared as a specific number or birth rate, while still helping developers meet a growing number of age verification requirements. If an adult shares their child's age range, all apps using the API will have access to the information, and the program will automatically deliver an age-appropriate experience. The parent controls will be available in the Google Family Link app. Google wrote in its blog post, "Rather than enforcing one-size-fits-all rules, we give developers the flexibility to choose how they integrate safety signals. With this reliable signal, you retain complete agency to tailor your app's content, features, and settings to match your audience." Age verifications become a hot topic over the past year, with several countries and U.S. states passing wide-reaching laws, putting more responsibility on platform owners and app developers to make checks. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.